treasures in the stone, stories carved and known, victory and fate align under arches lost in time, in marble white detailing dreams of gold, chiseled lines and silent stand, a conqueror's mark upon the land. Raise the arch, let the past ignite, shadows walk in Roman light, winds of glory, breath divine, still they echo through Constantine. Eagles soar above the gate, frozen in the hands of fate. Trumpets once rang through this air, now the sky alone stands there. Time has worn the name, but never dimmed the flame. Stone remembers every fight, every dawn and every night. Raise the arch, let the past ignite, marching through eternal night. Glory etched in every line, the soul of Rome, the arch divine. Whispers in the stone, stories carved and